If you have a DJI Action camera, you're gonna want something like this. This is a MagSafe mount for your Action camera. So what's cool is you have your Action magnetic mount that you would have going to your camera. It snaps on, you can flip it either way, depending on how you wanna have it. Now, if you have any MagSafe accessories, they will stick on there. So you can connect it to other MagSafe accessories and use them if you have a stand that you like so much, or like a, or like some kind of POV mount or tripod. But also, if you want to connect it to your phone as well, you can. So now you can have, and this is basically what it's meant for, is you can have it as like another POV. If you're shooting with your phone, you can zoom in on the phone and then have this wide field of view on your Action camera. And it's also rotatable, so you can change the angle if you need to. So I like that a lot. It's kind of cool to just like sit above your phone, and you can like film yourself while you're filming other things. There's just a lot of possibilities for this little tiny accessory. And again, I love being able to use it with other MagSafe mounts. So you put them on the back part of that and it works. So highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.